Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork, and happy Friday. Today is Friday, April 5th. Hope you guys having a great day so far. I hope you guys got some great upcoming plans for the weekend here. We should begin with the Final Four coming up here. Some great, exciting games been going on here. Looking forward to it. Hey, we do got the big jobs data coming today, so let's jump right into it. So February, we had 22,000 jobs, but they revised it and increased to 33,000 jobs. So that's obviously a nice improvement, even though it's still relatively small. Forecast for March was 177,000 new jobs created, and it came in even above that, 196,000 new jobs here. So great data overall for the month of March. So quite a bit, quite the turnaround from February, as you can see. Unemployment rate, as you can see, it pretty much remained across the board, 3.8%, still at a very low level here. And then average hourly earnings. Now, obviously, this is a little bit disappointing. You have a nice increase at 3.4. I'm sorry, at 0.4% month over month from January to February. Forecast for February to March, month over month, it was supposed to be zero point 0.3 and only went up a pretty modest 0.1%. So, but overall, the economy is moving pretty well. We got great job numbers here. Investors, as you'll see here, stock market's up. Investors are liking so far what they're seeing. The overall year-over-year appreciation wage growth is around 3%, it's just over 3%, and that's kind of in the range where they believe that inflation's not going to get out of control, and people are going to be spending money. That they'll be earning more money, but they'll be spending more money to keep the economy moving on track. That's something what the analysts out there believe, and so far that's been so far good. So we're not seeing a lot of the effects that we hear about in Europe as well as China. And then speaking of such with China, they keep talking about that within weeks we could be hearing probably an agreement being made here. So something will probably be announced within weeks here. It's getting to the point where they're very close, having everything wrapped up. Last time we heard it was about 10%, and it looks like things are going to be wrapped up here very, very soon. It's more as if when it's going to be done, not as if it's going to be done. So this is a good turning point for the stock market. So stock market's obviously liking that news. You'll probably see that a nice big spike when that's finally done because it'll be a bit of a relief for them. But overall, good news. So even the bond market's doing pretty well this morning here. We're up 11 basis points. We were up yesterday a little bit, so that should that should lead investors to a little bit better pricing today, mortgage lenders. So mortgage rates should be a little bit better today than what we saw yesterday. And then as we see here, the 10-year Treasury yield moved down a little bit. We're down to about 2.5 to round up at 2. We were up to about 2.52 just a few days ago, and we've kind of slipped back to a little bit down in the 2.5 range here. All right, so that pretty much wraps things up. Mortgage rates a little bit better today as we head into the weekend, which is obviously, again, good signs, and we're in spring, which is the buying season here for a lot of people out there. We'll look forward to see you guys on Monday. We do got a few data coming in next week with inflation, with the CPI reports, small business report, confidence level coming in. We got a few different reports coming in next week. So each day we'll have probably at least one or two items on the docket. So stay tuned. You guys have a great weekend. See you guys Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.